this video, I will show you how you can change your POV to third person or to first person view like this. As you can see here, there is a bunch of different things that you can do. And so the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up your menu here on PC. Settings menu is I just need to press escape button, and if you are on controller probably it will be different, maybe options or something like that. Then you need to go to settings, bindings, and then you need to find a toggle POV option here, and for me is my mouse wheel. So what you need to do here, what I need to do here if I want to change my POV is just to basically press my mouse wheel, and as you can see here I can change my POV to from first person view to third person view and vice versa. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.